That's all aircraft, unauthorized UAS activity, approach 10 left, 500 feet, silver whitish in color.
Pitt Tower, hello, Blue Streak 5657, cleared visual 10 left.
Blue Streak 5657, Pittsburgh Tower. We just had a report of the UAS. They were over the approach in at 10 left, 500 feet, silver whitish in color. Would you like to change the runway 10 right?
We're a little committed to 10 left right now. We'll stay here and I guess take a look for ourselves, Blue Streak 5657.
Blue Streak 5657, not a problem, sir. My last two arrivals made it down safely. Runway 10 left, clear to land. The wind 040 at 9er, gusting 16.
Alright, clear to land, runway 10 left, Blue Streak 5657.
LJ47, you are number 2 to the field. Traffic's the regional jet, but the drone was just reported north of 10 left. So I don't know what tower is going to do with the regional jet. Just reduce speed to 210, and I'll get back to you with a runway. Plan on one of the two options.
0 and stand by LJ47.
CR 5873, Charlie. Any Charlie, oh, you're going to the hangar, sorry. So taxi via Bravo, Victor, Echo, Zulu to the hangar.
Bravo, Victor, Echo, Zulu to the hangar for CR 5873. Have a good day.
Do you have any information, like did you get maybe the type or the size of that?
No, it's, I'm looking right now. It's like it's 10 o'clock, kind of over towards that FedEx hangar. Above the trees, it just looks black, but you know, it could be any color.
Hey, right now, to your 10 o'clock.
That's affirmative, over the FedEx hangar.
Thank you.
Tower Southwest 1121.
Yes, sir.
Hey, I meant to tell you, I might have told you that wrong. It was the other runway 10 right off the departure, and the 10 right is where we saw.
Southwest 1121, no problem, sir. I think that thing just moved northwestbound on us now, so.
Okay. Tower Blue Streak 5657, confirming clear to land 10 left.
Blue Streak 5657, affirmative, runway 10 left, clear to land.
Clear to land 10 left, Blue Streak 5657.
LJ47, when you're able, turn left heading of 120. Turn left heading 120.
LJ47.
Sentinel aircraft, that are listening to Pitt Tower. We are in a ground stop, multiple UAS activity all around the airfield that we're not talking to.
Avenger instructions now, maintain 4,000. Maintain 4,000. Reports of numerous drones now around the airfield.
Maintain 4,000 LJ47.
And LJ47, it's going to be a while till we figure out what's going on. Do you have any other intentions? You want me to just hold you somewhere?
That's the vector for now, LJ47.
LJ47, roger. Fly heading of 360.
Heading 360, LJ47.
And LJ47, that'll be turn left. Turn left heading 360.
Left turn to 360, LJ47.
Blue Streak 5657, you can make the right at Bravo 4, Bravo eastbound, and did you happen to see the UAS?
Alright, Bravo 4, Bravo eastbound, negative sighting UAS, Blue Street 5657.
Thank you, sir. Ground point 9, enjoy your day.
Ground point 9.
Blue Streak 5657, Bravo, Victor, Delta 1 to the ramp. My ground control is busy.
Attention all aircraft on the ramp. There's unauthorized UAS activity over top the Pittsburgh airport. Position is varying all over the place, so we are stopping departures and arrivals pending some better information here. So if you're moving on the ramp, I need you to hold short of Charlie, Victor, or Delta just outside the movement area. I'd pick a nice spot there, either inner or outer taxi lane, and just keep it one engine shut down for now while we figure out what we can do here.
Do you want us to fall behind the regionals or what?
Well, right now I'd like you to stay right there. There's unauthorized UAS activity right over top the airport. Right now we're holding arrivals, and it's impacted the departures to the point where we're just going to do ramp hold right there. So if you don't mind calling your ops back and just relaying, we're in a a situation in which I need you to call me prior to pushing. So just pass that along. So further advise, contact ground prior to push, and for now just hold right there, please.
All right, we'll advise our ops to wait forward to the brief.
Yep, I appreciate it. I just don't want to have people keep pushing with nowhere to go.
Yep, no worries. What's the, you said UA, what's the holdup now?
The drone, so the uncrewed air system, I guess is technically what we're supposed to call it, but drone activity over top the airport for the last 45 minutes, and now it's starting to impact arrivals and departures because it's crossing runways.
Understood, thank you.
And we haven't had it in sight, but multiple reports, and we're getting fed all kinds of information, so we're trying to figure it out. Everybody listening, I don't have any updates right now as far as when we're going to be releasing stuff, so if you can stay shut down with one, or if you need to shut everything down, you let me know, and I can find somewhere to have you park. Yep, for Southwest 3783, I appreciate that. Just hold there. I don't have an update time for you just yet. Again, it's been going on for about an hour, but the position of the drone UAS has changed, so that's what triggers this. So just hold your position there at the gate for me, and understand Endeavor 5073, I appreciate it. Again, I don't have any update time just yet. If anybody has any situations they need to go back to the gate, you let me know, please. And the only bad part is you all have release times too, so we're going to have to work on that as you work your way out.
Now J47, just an update. They've now narrowed it down to two unauthorized drones, one over the cargo area and one over southwest of the field. So we're still not letting anybody come in or out. So do you still want delayed vectors or do you want something else?
They're fine for us right now, LJ47.
J47, thanks.
Approach LJ47, it's like get vectors up to Latrobe.
J47, you want to land Latrobe now, you said?
Affirmative for LJ47.
J47, roger, you are clear to the Latrobe Airport via present position direct, maintain 4,000.
Present position direct to Latrobe LJ47.
J47, thanks for your help and patience there. Contact Pittsburgh departure 119.35. They'll work you to Latrobe.